Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to make money on Etsy. You just need to follow these simple steps on how you can make money with this Etsy affiliate program. Well, as we all know, Etsy is an e-commerce platform and now becomes one of the fast-growing online marketplaces. And on Etsy, the listings are handmade and vintage products. They can include arts, crafts, crafting supplies, clothing, and accessories, jewelry, paper goods, and other digitally downloaded items. So when joining Etsy's affiliate network, you can choose between the niches, accessories or clothing, art and collectibles, craft supplies, shoes, home and living, jewelry, party toys, weddings and parties, and some other options. So the various goods allows you to affiliate and monetize whoever your audience is. So Etsy supports publishers with many promoting items like banners, text links, or curated pages. So you will also find guides on Etsy's blogs or affiliate newsletter to improve your referrals. So like many other affiliate programs, it is a commission-based plan. So you should put affiliate links on your site with suitable content to make your audience buy the recommended products. And then you will earn a commission when there's a qualifying sale via such a tracking link. So how much you can make money from Etsy affiliate program? So though the commission rate of Etsy is not as high as some other networks, Etsy's products are easy to sell, so you can make a large amount by increasing the volume of sales. The value of sales also affects your earnings, so remember to pay attention to the product prices when picking which to promote. So to become an Etsy affiliate, you need to start registering on Awin account. So as Awin manages the affiliate program, you must come to Awin's site to create an account. Then upon entering the site, you can see the sign up button in the right corner and then click on that to start process of registration. And then the next one is fill in your information. So after you click on join Awin, the site will request you to provide some basic information. So the filling in process is easy and does not take much time from you. Now your next step is verify your account. So the last part of account setup is verification. So here you need to provide your address, phone number, and make a $5 payment to verify. So the network will refund the $5 to your account when you start earning commissions. Now the next step is log into your account and generate affiliate links. So after being approved by Awin, you can log in and enter your affiliate dashboard. And here you can create affiliate links and start earning money with Etsy. Now the last step is produce content associated with your affiliate links. So upon having the links, you should create relevant content on your site to attract potential consumers. The more purchases they make via your links, the more commissions you can earn. So yeah, that's how you basically earn money on Etsy with this Etsy affiliate program. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.